All right, a little farther down here, 169, is some heavy equipment here that's been, been sitting here for a while, abandoned. I don't know what's going on. They're sitting here in the field here. So I saw a video one time. A guy, he bought a farm in Texas, and one of these, he started up the D8, I guess. So I don't know. It's been sitting here for a while. I've drove by this thing a couple of times. I don't know if they just don't care anymore or what. I mean, they're diesels. I mean, it would take a while to recycle these suckers or whatever. That big ass diesel would probably work. I have no idea. You can tell the chair has been, I don't know. Maybe the company that owns them just left them here when they're down the street. I have no idea. It's too bad. There's a graveyard out in overseas in Britain. It's got a whole bunch of these just sitting in a place. But you can tell they're just kind of sitting here. D8. See that big ass diesel there? I mean, they've been growing around it. You can tell. They've been here a while. You could probably fire it up, probably had to. But probably have to go out with a torch and start taking it apart. So it's a John Deere, it looks like. Get up into that bad boy. That thing's growing right through it. Look at that. Sit right in that bad boy. Away you go. Look at that stuff. Look at those wheels. Those tires. Oh my lord. I don't know what year these things are. No idea. It's probably a John Deere and old bastards. I think they call this earth movers. Who knows? I don't know if that's the company right there sitting the property. Maybe they own it. That's a bad boy, huh? Yeah, you can tell they've been here a while. Probably open up that thing up and it's a JD 860. So whatever the hell, how old that thing is, John Deere JD 860. But I don't know, it's amazing. It's sitting here. They might be company up there, who knows? I don't know. Look at that bad boy. Real rock star. But Cat D8. Probably could. Get somebody to know what they're doing. Rebuild the diesel. Put it in there. Fire it up. Drive it off, probably. Cost you a couple $100,000 to get them going, but be kind of cool. You guys think, huh? Anyways. Alright. You figure I've always wanted more than look at these things, so there you are, you guys. Heavy equipment.